Good morning, guys. So we are going to visit, well, my friend Spora. She's taking me to a hike. I wanted to start the video here because, well, in the background we can see the Kilimanjaro, because usually when it's sunny in the morning you can see very well. You can see like on the top over there, but during the day it's very crowded, so you cannot see it very well. Like, for example, in the morning and in the evening. I don't know why during the day it's very crowded. Okay, so here is Spora. She doesn't speak. She just walk and be beautiful. Okay, anyways, we are going to catch a bus. Konyuma?
Yeah.
The station.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to catch a bus. Tungepanda na mguu hii yote.
Tungepanda?
No, kama tungekuja mapema.
Hapo. Ni elfu nne wawili.
Maana mtu mmoja pale anatoroka.
Lakini sasa tunapitia kwanza, ndio maana tunapitia.
Mambo. Camera. Okay guys, so before we went to see her uncle, and I didn't film over there because, well, by respect, but we are here at the entrance. I wanted to take a little pictures before I leave, because we are now going to see inside. She's not well up for the hike. Even we have to be in the town before 2 p.m. Now it's already 11, so it's gonna be a little difficult, but maybe we're gonna come back for the next time and try to hike. But for me, I want to hike the whole way, like to the top
summit.
But this yeah, to the summit. So guys, I'm gonna just keep doing a little video, and when we're gonna head back, I'm gonna just try to show you a little more. And this is what you can see in the area. You have like a little restaurants, a shop for souvenir, and actually, even if you want to hike, they have like everything. They have shoes. If you want to, like, you come with no equipment, they rent you. But I think it's better you come with your equipment, because if you rent here, you're gonna pay a lot. But if you come with yours, you just pay like 12,000, and then you can just go. Okay guys, let's keep going. Okay guys, so I met this guy at the entrance, and he was like, let me show you a little beautiful place. So let's go see. Careful. Hauji? Okay, she's a little scared, but yeah, me I follow the guy. Hakuna nyoka hapa?
No snake. What's cold?
Yeah, it's very cold.
Very cold.
Yeah, in the nights.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, here the area, because we are very close to the Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is just behind, and yeah, look at the view. The area is really beautiful, but he said, really, come, I'll show you a very beautiful waterfall, but I don't see any waterfall. I just see like, it's not even a river, let's call it like yeah, like a stream, because it's very small. Maybe it's going up. I have no idea, but let's go see. But you must know, every time you are going to a, let's say, touristic area, whatever price they are telling you, they are charging you more than you should. So I have no idea.
Mechoka.
Oh, okay. She's all the way over there. Ah, amerudi.
Amerudi.
I think. Yeah, she's not used to walk. She always move in a car. So, Spora, amerudi? Huh? Ame? Ah, nilikuwa nafikiria amerudi. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, the uncle stayed over there, but us, let's go see. And also, he's saying you can drink the water because it's like coming straight from the
summit.
Yeah, from the summit, from the Kilimanjaro straight. But yeah. Me, I'm so scared of getting sick when I'm on vacation. I try to actually, yeah, there's a beautiful waterfall. Sawa. No, because I only saw this, I was like, oh, this guy, what is he saying about waterfall? There's just a little stream, and you can see the water is so fresh. Shikamo. Hey. Poa. Yeah, so. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just get close to the little waterfall, but look at this area. It's so beautiful. Let me check a little video. Okay, yeah, so it's a little waterfall, but what I like is in the area. Look around, like we like in the valley. All around is just mountains. Nasema hiyo maji inakupiga kwa uso. Yeah, so yeah, apparently you can drink it. Unasema unataka kunywa? Ya phone. Haya. Yeah, so now she's enda huko chini enda pale ndani. Yeah, so I'm like go further. Toa viatu. No, remove the shoes. Don't fall. Careful. Video.
Toa viatu bwana. Ndio ndani ya maji hamna shida, hamna nyoka. Ndio ndani kabisa hamna shida. Toa viatu bwana. Toa viatu. Ni baridi.
Ni baridi kidogo. Yeah, so the water is very cold. So we're gonna, okay, let me turn this off. Yeah, so we're gonna head back and hike back. Yeah, ni kidogo.
Yeah, kidogo lakini hili barafu inayeyuka. Baada kidogo kwa mchana, sasa hivi asubuhi kule. Inakuwa inayeyuka na kuwa
sasa iko na inasimama ama inaendelea?
Ina mkondo wake ambaye anaweza kutokea hapa.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to join her. I just hope I'm not gonna fall in the water. Okay. There we are. Mimi niende wapi sasa? Wewe umekanyaga kwa mawe yote. Okay. Ni hivyo. Perfect. Ako hapa. Huko mbali hakuoni. Ah, nirudi nyuma. Hivi okay. Take a little picture. Okay, so we're already heading back, and I wanted to show you the view on the other side. And yeah, this area is really beautiful. But yeah, I'm stuck behind because, well, I'm just enjoying the view. Spora and her uncle already know the place because the uncle lives in the area actually. That's the one who showed us the little waterfall. And maybe, I don't know which time, but come back and this time do the Kilimanjaro because I found, let's say, a price in my budget. So next time, well, you wait for the video of Kilimanjaro, but not very soon. Okay, so you can see like on the other side in the backgrounds some houses, and apparently the bigger one is a church. And shikamo, mambo. Unatoka wapi?
Tanzania.
Mnaenda wapi? Okay, mambo, bye. Okay. Yeah, so you can see even like children, they are really free, like just walking around, like no care at all. That's what I like in this kind of area. You can see like children are really free, and the air here, it's amazing. Actually, you can even see the greenery because it's really amazing. And also, if you want to buy a land in this area, it's extremely cheap, like crazy cheap. Get some information, but I thought it was a lie when I heard the first time. Okay, so let me show you a little view from here because I can see everything. Let me check a little because I can see to up there. But let's see what is down there. Oh, it's like, well, someone's house. And yeah, check this out. Like some land. But you can see the whole way, the greenery. It's so amazing. Anyways, yeah, let's head back on the road. And my friend Spora has a lot of things to do today. And I took her the whole morning. So we're gonna head back to town. Okay, so we're already heading back, and you can see we found a transport on the road. Usually we'll took a motorbike, but yeah, we got very lucky because our uncle knows a lot of people, so it was very helpful. Anyway, you can see we are alone. I'm gonna try to show you the road. It's very windy, so I want to show you around. And I don't think you can hear me very well, but let's hope. No, I'm going to keep showing you the road. It's very beautiful actually. inaonyesha the hapa pazuri. Tuko karibu. Tumeshafika. Yeah, so we're back in Moshi. We're gonna go see Spora's office and maybe get a little discount because she works nearby. Let's go check if she can give discount. Yeah, so not too much discount, but let's reach the place and we'll talk about it. I'm gonna try to reduce a little, but she's very hard to bargain. Well, people here, they are very they are used to people who bargain, so I don't think I can manage to row a little more, but we'll see. Okay, so here we are. Here Spora in her office. Yeah, ngoja music, ngoja. Badai. Yeah, okay. Hey. Okay, so here is her office, and she, like, if you need like the massage chair, she just set it for you, gives you like, I don't know, ni kama dakika ngapi?
20 minutes, 40 minutes.
So minimum is 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Maximum 40?
1 hour.
So yeah, it's like 20 minutes, 40 minutes or 1 hour. And yeah, she put you in the chair, she set it on, and she closed the curtain, and yeah, she just leave you. And they also sells a lot of other things. So okay. Yeah, so some this is like for medicine, like you put your medicine for every day. Some shells, no, some stones. Yeah, I have no idea what is it for. Anyway, so let's check other things. Yeah, you can see everything. Some I don't know what it is, but it's for well-being. And here's her office where she stays all day watching TV, eating junk food. Yeah.
There's no junk food.
You don't know junk food?
Okay.
Yeah, like fried bananas,
Banana.
chips, mayai.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I was right. That's what she do the whole day almost. So this is the outside. And yeah, so now it's done. I think the video is gonna end up here. So thank you guys, and until the next time.